If you want to update your Indeed resume, for example, you have wrong information in there or you would just want to update some information, then here is how you're going to do it. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So first things first, you're going to head over to Indeed.com, and then from your dashboard, you're going to head over to the profile icon in the top right corner. Now, once you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear, and then you're just going to have to choose profile from here. Now, from your profile page, you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you see this resume section. What you're going to do is you're going to click on your resume, and then from here you're going to click on this pen icon right here to edit your resume. So for example, you just have a specific detail that you want to update or you just want to edit, then you can do that. But if you want to update your complete resume or you want to completely replace your resume to update it, then what you're going to do is instead of clicking on this, you're going to click on this three dots icon at the top right corner, and then from there you're just going to click on upload to replace resume. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take your new resume and then you're going to click on upload right here, and then you're going to upload it by clicking it among the files right here, and then you're just going to click on open, and then it will be uploaded and your resume will be changed. And that's it. That is how you're going to update your resume, may it be a simple detail or the entire resume. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.